It's like I can't do no wrong.
Let me catch a vibe. Let's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy.
In this video today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I did my Jayda Wayda braids. This is how they came out. Mind y'all, I've been wearing this hair for like a week, I'm not gonna lie, and I didn't get to get an intro, outro. Y'all know sometimes I'm bad with that, but I still came on here and did this little intro for y'all. They did come out cute, so like if you did want to do it, I feel like you should go ahead and do it and try. It's my first time doing it, and I'm just not no braider for real, so don't expect it to look super professional because it was not gonna look like that. But for me to like do my own hair and stuff like that, it came out real cute. Yeah, so let's just continue to watch the video if you're trying to see how I got this look.
So I've already sectioned off my hair, and I did it into 5 because y'all know we're doing the Jayda Wayda braids. So I'm gonna start with the one at the top, and I think I just went on ahead and just straightened out my part. So I put some shining jam, that's what I'm using, but I forgot to show y'all on my part, and just like use the comb to make it neater. And then I kind of just like separated my hair into more parts and put shining gel on there, so that way it'll be more sleek because I'm doing it on natural hair. I did it in like its natural state. I didn't blow dry my hair, I let it air dry. I didn't have no products in it, and I didn't flat iron it. So yeah, in its natural state. And then I'm gonna use my dimming brush to comb it out and make sure it's sleek with no lumps or clumps or nothing. And I just want to say, I know I say this all the time, but y'all, my facial expressions when I be doing my hair and my makeup is hilarious. Because I don't know why I be making them faces, but they be so funny to me. So I just wanted to point that out. But I'm just making sure it's sleek and combing it out. And then I'm going to put a rubber band on it. And then I'm going to, first I brushed it also with, you know, what is this called? The bristle brush. So yeah, just to, you know, you gotta just make sure your hairstyle is sleek. And then after that I put the rubber band on. But y'all will see me like take this out and redo it, because when I did it the first time I didn't like it, but I figured out how to make it look nice, I guess, more better than what it was. I twisted the parts up just so they won't be in the way when I was braiding like the other section or whatever. But yeah, just watch the process, y'all.
Don't get out of the way to no one long distance. I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions.
Right here y'all can see where I messed up at, because I tried to do the little thing that they do with regular ponytails, y'all get what I mean? But I was just like, no, let me just feed this in. So yeah, the back is correct. And I also went on ahead and changed the rubber bands because the other one wasn't secure enough. So I just used the rubber bands that already came with the hair. I was trying to get it close enough so y'all could see how I put the hair on there, but y'all know my camera broke, so I've been filming on my phone, so I just can't really get the angles like that. But I think this is pretty, I don't know, I think it's good enough. So yeah, but right here I'm just feeding the hair in.
Yeah.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been.
when I was braiding it down to the end, I didn't braid it all the way down because y'all gonna see me curl the end with the perm rods, but I was just letting y'all see that I was braiding it down as close as I could. And yeah, clearly I like this braid better. It just looked better. I don't know. So I'm about to take this one out and redo this one.
Against you, I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's me, I feel why. You see me do my da. So me by that why. When you walk out, when the cat from my touch.
Yeah. Okay, you need to get done. Let work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see.
Now for the final part, you're gonna take some hot water. I was trying to show y'all that it was boiling hot or whatever because I heated it up, but you just dip the braids in there after you put the perm rods on there, and this gonna help your braids just look neater, flow a little better, and not be as stiff, and also help the ends stay together. And then I dry it off with a towel, and this is the end product. This is the finished look, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. I didn't really get like a fresh outro when I was first done, but y'all know I always do that. So yeah, I just kind of laid my edges here, and then like my outro is from like a week later, but it still look cute. So yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed it, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Yeah.
Work. To me, I feel work. See me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, in the car, drive me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you tonight.
1, 2, 3. Make you feel lucky. Make you wanna